Aweh Millionaire. It's me, and I'm back with another NFP smart trader analysis. Yes, I'm talking about NFP. I know some of you fundamental traders out there are depressed because the markets aren't moving the way you used to when these fundamental releases come out. Now you don't know what to do, you can't collect those pips. But at the end of the day, there's only one way to trade Forex high impact news, these fundamental news releases. There's only one way to do it, and it's the smart way. And if you know how to do it the smart way, all you do is you trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. Yes, trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money, like my mug says. And the NFP trade that I took was USDCAD. As you can see over there, I took USDCAD, I sold USDCAD. NFP, there's the entry price over there where I entered the trade, stop loss, and TP, which was hit. And yeah, it's another NFP, another day, another dollar. I'm going to show you quickly how I got into this trade like a smart trader, and how you too can be a smart trader, analyze the markets like a smart trader, and collect these pips like a smart trader. And if you do want to be a more consistent and profitable trader, and you want to learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But let's crack into this USDCAD, USD2CAD NFP analysis.
Batman.
I mean, this one was very, like, literally straightforward. As you can see, I've got my supply and my demand levels, which I have plotted out already. These supply and demand levels are the ones that I plotted out in my previous USDCAD analysis. If you want to see that USDCAD analysis and where and how I plotted these supply and demand levels, then click on the I on the top right hand side so that you can catch up on that video and see exactly what I'm talking about. But again, just a quick summary: we've got a supply level over here, another supply level over here, and a demand level. Okay guys, when we're trading Forex high impact news, it is super important that you use two very important tools: FX volume, Forex volume, and supply and demand. Okay, it's important that you follow the markets like a smart trader, not like an amateur dumbass trader. So you identify these levels, which are super important, because you want to see exactly where the smart money is. You want to see what areas, what interest areas the banks are focusing on this particular currency pair. So very simple. So I've got the supply and the demand levels. Again, I've actually got a free video training on how to identify these levels. Click on the link in the description to get your hands on the free video training, so you can see the markets like a smart trader. You can see the markets like the smart money does. And yeah, very simple. So let's look at the analysis. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. It's so straightforward. So we had NFP for the day. What did price do? Price went all the way up to go and test the supply level. Price went up to test the supply level. Again, when price tests a supply level and bounces off a supply level, this is an indicator that there is a possible selling opportunity coming. So number one, we know where the smart money is, okay, at the supply level. Number two, we also know what the dumb ass money is thinking. The dumb money is thinking, oh my god, look, price is going up. Okay, let's buy. Okay, let's go. Let's follow the trend here. Let's buy. Let's not miss out on anything. Let's collect these pips like dumb traders. So they want to buy. Obviously, you know how the banks work. They induce the amateur retail traders to take the opposite side of the trade. So the amateurs are seeing the buying opportunities, but the smart trader and the smart money know exactly what is plotting in the background. Okay, because the banks won't show you the card. They'll show you one thing so that you can do the other thing, and they can do the other thing and hit your stop losses nice and simply. So price came, tested the supply level, and already we knew when price tests the supply level, this is an opportunity to sell. So when you see an opportunity to sell at the supply level, all you need to do now is plot your entry, price, and your stop loss. Okay, entry and stop loss. So how we do that is we use the most recent fractal high and the most recent fractal low to do so. So most recent fractal high, as you can see, which was this one over there, is what we use as the stop loss level, stop loss price level. Nice and simple. So boom, now we know where we're going to put our stop loss on the most recent fractal high. And then the most recent fractal low is what we're going to use for our entry price, which is this most recent fractal low over there. So entry, stop loss, and then TP, boom, right over there just before the demand level. And then what happened when the news came out? Look, it was NFP. It wasn't like a quick, fast move as most NFPs are. But remember, guys, the market is moving. The markets are moving a little bit differently in these current times because of the whole pandemic and coronavirus and market crashing and all this stuff. But again, your concern is not how fast the move is. Your concern is, am I on the right side of the market? Because if you are on the right side of the market and you let the banks do the rest, you let the banks take care of the trade, if you're on the right side of the market, you will not have any problems. And that's exactly what happened. The trade triggered, and then skibbity pap, went all the way down, hit the TP, tested the demand level, and then you know how the market works. It's supply and demand. This is how the market works. It works according to supply and demand. So if you know where these key supply and demand levels areas are, you'll just start seeing, wow, like this is where the market starts to turn, this is where the market starts to react, etc., etc. The market doesn't turn where it turns for fun. Okay, the markets are turning where it's turning because the banks are in play. Okay, and especially when there's high impact news coming out. Okay, and yeah, price came out, shot out, and hit the take profit, and that was NFP for April 2020. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Trade like a smart trader and follow the smart money. Aweh, Millionaire. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Batman, Batman, Batman.